Alright, I'm going to teach you how to import a term base that was created with Excel to the CAT tool Fluency Now. And the first step after you've gone ahead and created your term base is to save it as a file extension txt, and you're going to choose the Unicode text, which is the file format that Fluency Now will be able to recognize and use. And so you'll save that. Exit out of your term base. I'm going to open up Fluency Now. And as you can see, I've already uploaded my source document. And now I want to import the terminology base that I've just created with Excel. So I'll go to Import Export Terminology. And here it will ask you to give the source language, which in this case is English. I can give it a locale code. And then it will ask you for the target language, and I want that to be Spanish. And I will also assign that locale. And here you can give it a project name. I could call this Fluency Terms. And you could also assign a client name or a terminology domain, but in this case, I'm just going to give it a project name. Now I will find the file that I just created and make sure to choose the txt file extension. And here it will ask you what columns you want to import. You want to import both columns 1 and 2. Column 1 will be your source language and 2 will be your target language. And here it will ask me if I want to exclude any terms. In my term base, I created 11 terms. I want to import all of those terms, so I'll go ahead and click Import All Rows. Then it will tell me my terms are ready to import. So I can go ahead and click Import, and then it'll tell me that it finished importing those terms. So now, for example, if I wanted to translate this section, on the left-hand side, it will show all the words that appear in that sentence. On the right-hand side, it'll give me the translations I have imported into Fluency Now. I've already gone ahead and started translating this, but I can show how to quickly add the translations that you've already done with your term base. So for example, it shows me that I've translated ozone. And if I wanted just to add the term, I could right-click and insert into target. And having a term base is really helpful because it can save you a lot of time, and also if you have a term that is used throughout the whole document, in my case, ozone is used quite a few times, then it'll make sure that you're using the same term consistently.